If you're running into an Epic Games login error, one of the most common fixes is repairing the launcher. This simple step can often restore smooth performance, fix corrupted files, and get you back into your account without needing a full reinstall. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to repair the Epic Games Launcher, and by the end, you'll know how to restart it properly so the fix can take effect. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes and step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Control Panel on your Windows system. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu and opening it from there. Once the Control Panel is open, look for the Programs section. This is where Windows keeps options for uninstalling, repairing, and managing installed software. Next, click on Programs and Features. This will open a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Give it a moment to load if your system has a lot of applications installed. Once the list appears, scroll through it carefully until you find Epic Games Launcher. When you locate Epic Games Launcher, right-click on it. In the menu that appears, you should see an option to Repair. Click Repair to begin the process. Windows will now start fixing the launcher files, and this may take some time depending on your computer and how much needs to be repaired. Be patient while the repair runs. It can take a few minutes, and in some cases even longer, especially if your system is older or if the launcher has multiple issues. During this process, it is best not to close the window or interrupt the repair. Let it complete fully so the launcher can be restored properly. Once the repair is finished, go ahead and restart the Epic Games Launcher. Closing it and opening it again is important because it allows the repaired files and settings to load correctly. In many cases, this simple repair process is enough to fix login errors and get you signed in normally again. If the launcher still has trouble after the repair, you may want to restart your computer and try again. A quick reboot can help clear out temporary glitches and make sure everything refreshes properly. So to recap, the main fix here is to open Control Panel, go to Programs, open Programs and Features, find Epic Games Launcher, right-click it, and choose Repair. Then wait for the process to complete and restart the launcher. That's often all it takes to solve the Epic Games login error. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.